Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. Britt, I'm so excited. We're in Callaway, which is a suburb of Panama City. And we've got a beautiful home for families to start right close to Tyndall.
Absolutely. I'm super excited. Convenient locations. Let's go check them out.
Yes.
Hey there, I'm checking out the kitchen and living space over at this cute home. What I love about this kitchen is you have stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinetry space, and I love this deep farmhouse sink. And on the other side of this kitchen is a great flexible space. It could be used for a playroom, an extra living room area, or anything, maybe even an office nook. So lots of possibilities there. As you exit the kitchen, you have a nice little area where you can fit a table overlooking the backyard with lots of windows with beautiful sunlight coming in. As you enter into the living space, again, lots of natural light coming in, overlooking that backyard. We've got a sliding glass door onto the patio. We don't have to worry about carpet, so easy maintenance on the flooring, and just enough space to gather. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of the home.
Thanks, Britt. Welcome into this beautiful, large ensuite. I love in here how you've got the sliders leading straight out to the backyard. You don't have to go around anywhere to be able to get out. And of course, it's an ensuite with a beautiful tiled shower, nice and modern and updated. This fits perfectly with the other 2 bedrooms in the home, and it's just perfect for a family. So for more information on this beautiful home, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you to find out all the finer details.
And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals in Panama City and surrounding areas.